Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning English WH questions to help you speak more naturally. We will cover the most important WH question words: what, where, when, why, who, which, how, whom, and whose. Let's get started. What? Used to ask about specific things, objects, or actions. What movie do you want to see? What time does the train leave? What makes you unique? What are the rules of the game? What does this symbol mean? Where? Used to ask about a place or location. Where is the nearest museum? Where are my lost keys? Where can I buy fresh produce? Where will the concert be held? Where did you find that antique? When? Used to ask about time, dates, or occasions. When is your next appointment? When do you finish work? When did you last visit your parents? When should we start the project? When will the package arrive? Why? Used to ask for a reason or explanation. Why are you learning a new language? Why is the sky blue? Why did they cancel the meeting? Why are some foods more spicy? Why is a healthy diet important? Who? Used to ask about the identity of a person acting as the subject. Who is the author of that book? Who designed this building? Who can help me with this problem? Who is your role model? Who was the first person in space?
Which? Used to ask about a choice between specific options. Which flavor of ice cream do you prefer? Which road leads to the beach? Which of these laptops is more powerful? Which city would you like to live in? Which artist's work do you admire most? How? Used to ask about the manner, method, or condition of something. How do I program this remote? How often do you exercise? How much did that computer cost? How can we improve efficiency? How does a car engine work? Whom, whose. Used to ask about a person acting as the object of a verb or preposition. Whose to ask about possession or ownership. Whom are we waiting for? Whom should I contact for support? Whose advice should I take? Whose turn is it to speak? Whose responsibility is this task? Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.